Hey friends, if you wish to fix file system error hyphen 10737411521, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates. The last one is to scan for viruses and malware, and I'll stick to two methods to do this. The first one is to search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab and then select scan options, select full scan and then click on scan now. And lastly, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command mrt and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Now click on next and then select full scan. Click on next once again and let it run through the scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.